This is a quick little share with the class video. We got a Kawasaki Mojave engine that the top end went bad. Tried adjusting the top end, didn't work out. We'll show you why. But if you can see in here, yeah, bushings are all blown out, bearings are blown out, oil filter looks like ass. Flip it around. Yeah, that's all electronics and reverse mechanism in muckaluk. Yeah, you can't really say much. Cylinder, not too bad. Head, how? What? I've never seen valves recessed in the head like that with the head still on. It looks like somebody literally cut the faces of the valves to fit down in the holes. Look at these edges. This is one valve. We got another valve. This is. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Comment. Comments. I'd love to hear your comments on this one. This is what comes into the shop. This is why I make the videos I do. You can't make this shit up. So I share it with the class. And then we've got the gaming channel, Sawyer Custom Gaming, where we're live streaming 8 and 9 o'clock until past midnight. I've already diagnosed 2 Banshees. Got them running for the guys over stream. So yeah, you got questions, comments, and whatnot, come hang out, enjoy the party. Get some fun going, conversations. Maybe we'll not game and you can get me jumping around the internet looking at different things. We'll see. But these valves are somebody hit with a grinder. I can't make this up. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.